I'm at Gawla Studio, man. Alright, I'll let you know. Oops.
I'm in my zone. I'm in my zone. Oh, y'all can't fuck with me, no.
It's my life, man. Simple as that. I'm doing Afro pop. Yeah, I'm doing Afro pop. That's my sound. I love listening to a beat for like a day or two or a week before I can jump on it. Yeah, that's my craft. I think that's MT, that's Casper, and yeah man, RP to AKA and ReezY-KiD. Yeah, but someone who really inspired me to do music is graphics. There's a guy called Graphics Hard Diamond from RNB. Yeah man, be sure to graphics. Yeah. Behind, I think a song that I dropped recently was Hamunate Fela. I have my brother on it, Don Clary. The song called Hamunate Fela is speaking about you as a gent or as a human being, or obatla life a grand, you know, but then obvious on all the ups and downs of life, which is, yeah man, the song automatically speaks about life. You as a gent, someone who's coming from broken family, you know, but then trying your best to pursue that dream. So yeah man, it's just about like chasing your life. Oh jeez, that one is simple man, you know, like stay positive and love what you do. Always, people don't always talk man, so that one is not something that I can really entertain. Oh my nigga, that one. Showing someone is on. Yeah, but I think motivating people, man. Yeah.
I pack in 11, I pack in 11. Boom, I ran in the gator, my shoes are.
It's not knowing your next move. Yeah. I'm a hip-hop fanatic, man. I love hip-hop. Every day, any day, hip-hop. So yeah. My biggest dream collaboration is to have MT, Dagestan, the whole Lesotho and Free State cats out there. And obvious man, I'm speaking about the only one, Gawla Cheese. I'm at Gawla's Cheese Studio. So yeah man, I'm a piano fan. I don't do piano, but then I just wish one day to jump on Gawla's Cheese beat. So yeah. Fana, I love socializing, man. I love people, you know, I love sharing love. So yeah man, come on, talk about. The advice I'll give young people is to stay true, love what you're doing, and never rest, man. You know, every day wake up and do what you love the most. People don't always talk. But then yeah man, love yourself, yeah, and respect. So yeah. Yo Vanna, I see myself, I see my craft as the fucking biggest rapper in SA. So yeah, that's it. I'm working on EP. Oh yeah, Gaula. I'm working on EP. I'm gonna record my 7 or 8 songs here in Gaula Studio. So I'm working on EP. It's a kinda like RNB type rap. Yeah, I wanna try something new, but then I'm not sure about the date. I'm not sure when it's gonna be dropped. But then yeah, I'm working on EP. Maybe definitely sure next year, January or February. But this year I'm not sure. I'm gonna drop like a music video this year. I'm gonna have my boy titties on it. So yeah man, thank you so much. I go by the name ReezY-KiD KaFisa. I'm a rapper, producer, video director. I do a lot of shit man. You can even see my background. So yeah man, you done chisa utu ya bamba ucha pop.